Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in English, so sorry for my bad English and pronunciation, but I hope it will be quite clear for you. Thank you so much for liking over 100 times my Skyline bracelet tutorial, and so this is a small gift for you. In this video I will show you how to bezel an 18mm Swarovski rivoli with 4mm Bicones and 6mm pearls. It's an easy project, but I think it's quite impressive. This is the front side of the pendant and this is the back side. To make this module you will need very few supplies. 4mm Bicones, I'm using the color Aeronite AB, 6mm pearls and I've chosen crystal cream rose color, we will need size 8 seed beads. I'm using PF 557 of tau and the same color of 15O seed beads. Obviously we will need an 18mm Swarovski rivoli, a size 12 needle and a 0.15mm fireline thread. The first thing we have to do is to pick up a 4mm Bicone and one 15O seed bead. Repeat this sequence for 8 more times. Bring the sequence at the end of the thread and then pass through the first Bicone and through the whole sequence of beads to make the circle stronger. The thread exits one of the Bicones. Pick up another 4mm Bicone, one pearl and another Bicone and pass through the same Bicone but in the opposite way. The first row module is made. Pass through the next 15O seed bead and then the next Bicone. We already have one Bicone on the left, so now we have to pick up only one Bicone and one pearl to complete this sequence. Pass through the left vertical Bicone and on the top Bicone. Then pass through the vertical right Bicone and we are ready to start another row module. Pick up one pearl and one Bicone and pass through the top Bicone. And then through the whole sequence of beads. Go on in this way to complete all the steps. Now we have to add only the last pearl, so pick up the pearl and pass through the 3 Bicones and the pearl too. The thread exits one of the pearls, and we are going to work with size 8 seed beads. Pick up one 8/0 seed bead and pass through the next pearl. Repeat this step until you have filled all the empty spaces between the pearls. This is the final result of the step we have just made. Now the thread exits one of the size 8 seed beads, and we have to pick up 7 size 15 seed beads and pass through the next size 8 seed bead. Pull the thread. Repeat this step until you have completed the work. Now pass through the first 4 size 15 seed beads and pull the thread again. Pick up 3 size 15 seed beads and pass through the 4th bead of the next arc and pull the thread. Pick up the rivoli and put it at the center of the vessel. Pick up another 3 size 15 seed beads and pass through the 4th bead of the next arc. Repeat this step till the end of the arches. This is the final result. Now the thread exits one of the sequences of 3 beads we have just added to the work. Pick up one size 15 seed bead and pass through the next sequence of 3 and repeat this step to fill all the spaces. Now the thread exits one of the latest size 15 we have just added. Pick up 2 size 15 seed beads and pass through the next size 15 bead. Repeat this step and complete the work. Pass the thread through the beads and cut it. Our freedom module is just completed. I hope you like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!